Welcome to Tiafo Garage. This one is a little bit more about my life than my cars. So we're doing a remodel here in the house, and unfortunately, in the area I live in, we've had some trouble with break-ins. We had a homeless person sleeping in the inside of the house that was slow to leave. That was maybe 3-4 months ago, so that was our first clue of, hey, be careful. And then just a week and a half ago, a group of people apparently came in and stole a bunch of stuff, my stuff, back in the backyard, and then also broke into the house, through here, messed up this, basically opened this door by force and stole some equipment in the remodel that belongs to my contractor. And then yesterday I found my garage door sort of wedged open. I don't think anyone went in there. I don't think anything's missing, but it inspired me to just harden the whole facility as much as I'm able. So first step in that is my garage doors weren't closing quite properly, so I had to remove material with my sander. And I got these deadbolts, so I put the deadbolts in on the top, and I got some kick bolts for the bottom. So not the kind of video you want to make on a car channel, but that's life here in San Jose, unfortunately, and gotta be careful. One of the frustrations of being in the middle of a remodel is you don't know where anything is, or in my case, what's been stolen and what hasn't. But anyway, I've got this still, so this is a really useful multi-purpose plunger tool that I need to use to cut this piece of wood because I need a spacer for this. And just like that, we got our cut. I'm going to put this foot deadbolt also on the door, and I need a little shim. This is important to drill a hole first, otherwise it'll crack when you put in the screw. The next step is to drill the holes in the concrete, so I've marked the spot. This is very important. You need the drill bit that looks like that with the flat tips. That is for concrete. And then, I check the size to the strike plate if you were to use wood, for the size of the hole. And then the other very important thing, I learned this, I don't know, a decade after I should have. You need a drill that has a jackhammer mode. Makes drilling concrete super fast and easy, and otherwise it's horrible. So that is a real battery drainer. We've completed deadbolting the carriage doors, and I'm certainly doing some other things that I won't get into here. Hopefully this is the last video like this I have to make. It's unfortunate, but it's the circumstances we're in. Thank you for watching Tiafo Garage.
What?
Well, as you saw in that ring footage, we had another attempted break-in here at Tiafo Garage. I'll walk through what happened. So the perpetrator jumped over that fence. So I got footage of him kind of coming through here. He made an attempt to open my gate. The perpetrator then hopped this fence, and this is where I got the best shot of his face, and tried to get to the property from the adjacent property here. Good that I hardened the property here when I did. And now we've got the at least some video of the individual, so I will be sharing that with the police. I have to share that this is getting frustrating and trying my patience with this stuff. This is not great for San Jose. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Tiafo Garage.
Tiafo Garage.